Hello and welcome. It is my pleasure to share what makes Shri Ram Public School truly special. We firmly believe that the early years decide everything, which is why we focus on strong foundations rather than pressure. Our admissions are now open for pre-KG, LKG and UKG. We welcome children aged 2.5 to 5 years. What truly sets us apart is our activity-based, happy and stress-free learning environment, combining Montessori plus playway methods to nurture thinking, language, confidence and social skills. Did you know that our school is guided by Dr. M.H. Balakrishnaya, a former ISRO scientist and chairman, bringing scientific thinking and structured learning? We also have exciting early bird offers, including free fee and transport for pre-KG, plus uniforms, books, bag and stationery. I highly encourage you to visit the campus to truly understand the difference. Please call to book your visit.